Hello, in front of me I've got LG Q70. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it. Continue, and as you can see we've got the three sections: Clean, Browse and Share. Let's start with Share. Thanks to Nearby Share function, you can send and receive files very quickly. In Browse, you can check your files that are organized between downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps, favorites, save folder and internal storage. In Clean, you can clean the smartphone from junk files. If you go to menu, you've got access to bin, saved space, settings and help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.